Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. I said today we went down to the Methodist Church for their bi-weekly food pantry. And I will show you what we got. We got a big box of cornflakes. We got the little energy shot. They're like a 5-hour energy. We got a box or a package of lemon muffins, some shelled hazelnuts, the multi-meal version of Honey Nut Cheerios. We got some green onions. We got some dark chocolate chip peanut butter. They're like cookies. Little croissants. Some diced tomatoes. Some spaghetti sauce. Some chicken noodle soup. Some applesauce. Some kidney beans and mixed vegetables. Stovetop stuffing, turkey flavor. Also some more croissants. We got some Pillsbury Halloween cookies. We got 2 packages of split chicken breasts. They're from Whole Foods. They come, looks like they come seasoned already. Some carrot sticks. A energy bar. Also, some pre-seasoned boneless chicken thighs. A carton of low-fat Wawa milk. That's the convenience store that they're in the area. An organic baby spinach salad. Some mac and cheese. We also got some green beans, pink salmon, some jelly, a avocado, some dried Milky's mixed with water, a Hers tortilla chips, a loaf of Italian bread, some they're peanut butter cups. They're dark chocolate with sea salt. 2 little cartons of fruit punch. Also, this week they gave us 15 pounds of chicken leg quarters. This bag has 10 pounds in it. This bag has 5 pounds in it. A container of strawberries. 2 things of bananas. I said, you always can't go by that skin because a lot of times they'll look like that on the outside, but you open up the inside and they are good. A package of sushi rolls. So, as always, and I think I said this is the one that they have it twice a month. I think I might have said bi-weekly in the beginning, but it's twice a month. And they always give out very large portions. We're always very thankful for it. And like I said, it's a very nice variety. So if you like, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And all those subscribers out there, we thank you very, very much.